Hello, boys and girls. We are going to go ahead and do our phonics page for Tuesday, April 14th. So you'll see it will say word sort up at the top, unit 16, okay? So the instructions for this one are to write all the vowel spellings in the correct columns. The schwa spellings are circled and filled in. So some of them they've already done for us because we're kind of lazy. And they did the first one for you guys because you're lazy. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. Okay, so when we take a look at our words, we have gratitude, but we know that this is flexing to the schwa, so it's going to say I instead. So we have gratitude. Now, we're just writing the vowel spellings. We're not writing the whole syllable. So when I look in grat, my vowel spelling is just the A, and that is short, okay, because we have a consonant after it, so I know that that's a closed syllable. Now my I here, which says it, is a schwa, so they wrote that over there. And then at the end, I have my VCE, my UDE. So over here in other, we are going to go ahead and write U, and then we can just draw a line where the consonant would go and then E. Because we're sorting them by short vowels, long vowels are controlled, other, and schwa. Okay, so remember our other vowels could be those ones that the ows and the oos, and so here we have the oo spelled U consonant E. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll do the next one together. So we have a void, but I see this A is flexing to the schwa, so it's saying so it's a void. So they already filled in our schwa for us. So we just need void, oid. Well, I see OI. Now, is that short? Because here the OI is saying oi. Is it long? Nope. It's not R controlled. So that's going to go in our others. Because remember, we have oi as in oink. So I'm going to write the letters OI over here in my other. Remember, we just need to write the vowel spellings. We don't have to write the whole syllable. So let's take a look at this one. I have teaspoon, teaspoon, teaspoon. Well, when I look at T, I see two vowels together, and they're making an E sound, E. So those are going to go in my long vowel column, okay? And then I have spoon, ooh, ooh, that ooh as in ooze, okay? That's spelled with a O-O, so my O-O will go over here in my other vowel. Okay, so I've got voyage. Well, it's not voyage because I can see this is flexing to the schwa. So it's actually saying voyage. So they put that VCE that's flexing to the schwa over here in the schwa column, okay? So we just need to take a look at voy. So I have voy, oi, oi. Well, just as I did with avoid, it's a different spelling, but I hear that oi, and I know that oi, as in oink, is one of my other spellings. But instead of an OI, this time it's spelled with an OY. So I'm going to have you guys go ahead, try the next two sections, okay? If you're stuck on one, just leave it blank and you can fill it in as we go over it together. So I'm going to have you pause the video to do your work, and then when we come back, we'll go over it together. Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to go ahead and go over the rest of our vowel spelling. So we did the whole first section together, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the second section. So when I look at my syllables, I have ruby, 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 and I know I've got two syllables, so I know I'll have two vowel spellings. So if I look at ooh, I hear ooh. It's not you, it's not ryu, so it's not long, but it's ooh as in ooze. So that U is saying ooh. So I put that in my other column. And then I have B. Well, we know that Y at the end of words can say E sometimes. So that's a long vowel spelling. So now down here, I've got three syllables, so three vowel spellings. I have employee. Well, I don't say employee, I say employee because that's flexing to the schwa. So they already put the schwa there for us. So employ, and oi. That's an other vowel. So my OY goes here. E. Well, we hear that E and that we know that that's a long vowel, that vowel team with the double E. So I've got pinpoint. Well, pin, short vowel. Oi, other vowel. So we have oi, oi. And then we have argument. But we actually say mint, argument. The E is flexing to the schwa. So in R, well, that's a R controlled right there. Gu, that U is saying its name because we got an open syllable here. So that's going to go under the long vowel. Then down here, we've got some 3-syllable words, okay? Overjoy, okay? Overjoy. Well, O on its own, long vowel. E-R, that's R controlled. And oi, that O-Y at the end of the word, spelled with, is in our other vowels. Oi as in oink. Then we've got shallowness. Well, it's flexing to the schwa, so it's actually saying it. Shallowness. So our schwa was already there. So in shall, ow, short vowel. O. Now, it looks kind of like it could be ow or o, but this is O here. So that's going to go in our long vowel team. Okay, here we have disappoint. Well, it's flexing to the schwa, so it's more of an I. Disappoint. So, I have an I, short vowel. The A flexes to the schwa. They already wrote that one there. Oi. Oh, Mrs. Olin wrote it in the wrong place. Let's just draw a little arrow showing that goes to there. So, oi as in oink, that's one of our other vowels. I apologize for writing that in the wrong place. And then we've got truthfully. But this is flexing to the schwa and it's saying more of an I. Truthfully. So, truth. We've got oo, as in ooze, spelled with a U. Full, that's flexing to the schwa. So that goes over here. They already wrote that for us. And lee, that Y is making that E sound at the end. So there's truthfully. So here are the answers for your word sort, Unit 16 for Tuesday, April 14th. Awesome job, everybody.